The Huawei Mate 10 Pro. Typical Huawei box. Huawei Mate 10 Pro Leica dual camera. Flip the box over. You have some information here on the bottom, so you can take a look at that if you want. Make an incision right here. Let's check it out. Get into this box. Throw that away. Ooh. Front and center, you get the device. Huawei design. Here's the phone itself. Look at this. Very nice. Don't need that. Got this in the beautiful Mocha Brown colorway. Take a look at that. Nice. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and turn this on. There we go. Put that to the side. What else do we get in here? In here we get the charging brick. This is phone making some noises, which is good. This is the charging brick. And yes, this is Huawei Supercharge. In here we get the USB cable. A little bit of purple in there. This is the official cable for the supercharging to work. And let's see. Earphones. Very nice. And this is your little adapter, because unfortunately this phone does not have a headphone jack. Unfortunately. And on this side of the box we get SIM ejection tool. This is your quick start guides, etc. that nobody reads. And in here we get the case. I like how manufacturers are doing this. Huawei, Xiaomi's doing it. They include a simple clear case with their device. See, look at this. You get a TPU case with the phone. Every manufacturer should do this. LG, Samsung, Apple. Include a case with your phones. Help the customer get started. Protecting their device. Anyway, enough of all that. This is the phone itself. Now time to take the plastic off. Very nice. I did get this in the Mocha Brown colorway. Just thought it was a unique color. You don't really see brown phones a lot. It reminds me of a hot chocolate, a bar of chocolate, or a piece of chocolate. Nice and shiny. Yummy. Very yummy indeed. Woo! This is a 6-inch display, 2180 by 1080 resolution, Kirin 970, 6 gigs of RAM. Here you have your volume rocker and power switch, fingerprint scanner. You have your dual camera setup, a 20 megapixel sensor back here. Very nice. And this one I believe is the black and white camera. Here we have your SIM slot. On the bottom of the device, USB Type-C charging port, your speaker, mic. Take a look at the top. There we go. The feel in the hand of this device feels very, very nice, very, very premium in the hand. It's very smooth glass feel. Comes with a pre-installed screen protector here from the factory, which I like. I'm not gonna take it off because I do like my screens protected. So anyway, let's just get into the phone real fast. Let's check out the fingerprint scanner real fast. There you go. Scanning all parts of my finger. Successfully enrolled. Very nice. And we are in. Let's go into settings really quickly. Go to system, about phone, and we get EMUI version 8.0, December 1st, 2017 security patch, and Android version 8.0 Oreo. Enable developer options. go back, go into developer options, and I do this to every Android phone. Get in here and enable the animation scales to 0.5x because it makes the phone feel like it's running that much more faster. Here it is against the Pixel 2 XL. Front, the back, the thickness of the two. Here it is versus the Galaxy Note 8. Front, back, thickness versus the OnePlus 5T. Now the 5T is in the carbon case, but you guys get the idea. Here's the back, sides, and of course, the iPhone 10. Front, back, thickness. And let's not forget the case that comes with the device. Let's slap it on from the front. See the smoked border, looks very cool. Flip it over in the back, so you can see it kind of darkens the Mocha Brown a little bit. Clearly you still see the design of the phone. Not much of a front lip, so I would still be very careful placing this flat on the table, as the glass more than likely may touch the surface. So here it is, the Huawei Mate 10 Pro. Got it in chocolate brown. Hit me up in the comments and let me know what you want me to do with this phone. Speed tests, durability tests, etc. And versus which phone, like the 5T, Note 8, Pixel 2 XL, and of course, iPhone 10 here. Hit me up in the comments and let me know what you want to see. Thanks for watching. Peace out. Every time you unlock the phone, it makes this cool ass sound. You hear that? Here, I'm gonna put it right next to the mic. Here, let's take a listen. You hear that? That's nice. Yeek. I can do this all day. You hear that? Oh man. Ah.